Welcome to new video of AR Media. Today we are going to learn about how to make a payment gateway in Blogger. Okay, whenever we are creating a payment gateway, the customer can purchase the things and through the link we are provided or buttons we are provided in the blog. Okay, this is how we can make a payment gateway using. There are several payment gateway websites or providers like instamojo or CC Avenue or that PayPal, like that, and several payment gateway websites are there, partners are there. Okay, so you can choose whatever the things or whatever the partner you like, and thereafter you can make it. So today we are going to learn about how to make a payment gateway in instamojo. First of all, we have to first, for example, if you want to sell a something, like for example, uh, let it be one book, okay, old book or something like that one. Then first we had to create a post in the blog. Then we had to select some pictures of the book or something like that one, whatever you want to sell. Then you had to upload that one, and you can give descriptions and details of the book, like that one you can give it. Okay, once you gave all these details, you can post it or publish it. But we need a button here to buy the items. For example, whenever a customer is buying that one, they will go to that payment gateway, and thereafter we have to make it. For that one, first we are going to create a payment gateway using instamojo. Okay, the instamojo is application that is used for making the payments. Here there are several, but today we are going to learn about instamojo applications. First we have to go to sign up option here. You can see some sign up options. So that is we have to give the valid details, because this is the payment gateway is related to banking and everything. We need PAN number, then only we can apply for this one. Okay, first we have to give sign up option. We can sign up using either Google account or with a Facebook, or you can give your email ID and password. Here I am giving my email ID and password. Okay, thereafter you can choose not my email ID, sorry, it's not my password of my mail, it's separate password you can give. Then email ID you can give any of your email ID, like that. Then click on the sign up option. Then it will ask you to verify your mobile number. First you have to enter your mobile number. Once you enter your mobile number, you will get the OTP. Okay, it's better to give the correct number, or whatever the number you're constantly using. Suppose whenever you are doing this payment gateway and all, you will get the message, always get the message related to if the customer is paying anything or like that one. Then you will get the message through this number. Okay, so thereafter you have to input the OTP, then verify. OTP is the 4-digit number, you will get it in your phone. Then you have to click on the verify option. Once you verified, you have to fill the payment options. Payment means which bank, or you will get the, you can confirmation mail also you will get in the mobile itself. Then also you can check it. Okay, once you fill that one, you will get the confirmation message. Then you can confirm that email address also will. Then after that one, you have to go to the website again, and you have to fill the payment option. So if you have to choose your user ID, for example, if you have your, let it be your something, you can choose any of the your name or your website name. I am selecting my website name, sell point something, pointy something like that one. So already exists, that's why point is not selected. So you can thereafter business, which type of individual or register. If you have a registered organization, you can select, otherwise it is individual is enough. Okay, click on the, then the second one, no, you can give. Okay, thereafter you have to select the business details, what type of product you are going to sell. book or magazine. Here I am selecting books or magazine, whatever the product you can select it, and its subcategory also we have to select it. Digital content, I am selling a PDF copy like that, and that means online. At the same time you can, then you had approximate turnover. Thereafter you can select how low you are doing this business. Okay, so if you are a starter, you can give starting. Then number of employee, if you have any employees for your work, you can select it. Otherwise you can select self-employed. Then if you have a, you should need a website to sell, otherwise you can directly send the email like that. And so it is better to have a website. Here I am selecting one blogspot website. Okay, so in that one I am entering that blogspot address. Then you have to select no construction, because we already made that website. So then after you can click on that next option. Then this is main important things. You have to input your PAN number. This PAN number is mandatory for this one, then only we can make or made, okay, payment gateway, because it is all related to banking and everything, so it is very important. Thereafter you have to input your name, whatever the name. You can't change your PAN number once you enter, that is. Then you have to select your state, address, pin code. Then GSTN number is there, it is not mandatory here. GSTN, it's optional here. Then you have to select which type of product or service, whatever the things you are going to sell. So here I am selling the product. The PAN number should be correct. It's and you can't change that one. Once you entered, it should be the same we are using, and the name also, whatever the name displayed in the PAN number and bank account number, that should be mentioned there. Okay, then address also need, all the things is mandatory here. Some problem with my PAN number, yeah, I miss one letter, that's why. So thereafter you can input that one and go to next option. There you will get a bank account details, because whatever the customer is paying, that amount will be given to your bank account directly. So you have to confirm that bank account number and name. Already whatever the name you are given, it will be displayed there. Then there is IFSC code is there for the bank. Then IFSC code also you have to input correct IFSC code. And there is one more option, accept terms and condition. You can check that one. Thereafter you can click accept terms to create an account like that. If you want to read that terms account, you can read it. Okay, so these are the steps for making the account with instamojo. After making the account, you will get a congratulation message. Okay, then there are options like pass the instamojo fee to customer. So for example, then you can make it off. Okay, then you have to go to dashboard. These are the main work we have to do. So this all the work is almost completed. Then here we have to make a payment gateway link. Okay, for example, create a payment link. Then you can, two option is there, one is quick and smart link like that, and here you can give the purpose of that, and then you can input the amount, whatever the amount for the book or price for the book like that, you can, then you can create. Thereafter you can see some link there, that is the link for. Otherwise you can make a pay button also. If you want to make a pay button, click on the pay button option. Thereafter you can change whatever the name you want for the button, you can input there. Then you can select the color, whatever the color you like. Then whatever the shape also, you can large, small, that type of options. Thereafter it will create an HTML. Then you can copy that HTML code, then go to your blog again, then take that whatever the blog or whatever the post you made there, here select HTML option, then paste there that whatever the code. Now you can check, is it updated? Click on the update option, then refresh the page again. Now you can see that pay option, pay Rs 200 option is displayed in the button. This way we can, by that we can include the pay option. Then it will go to the customer option. Customer want to input the name, then his email ID, then his phone number. Okay, once he entered all these details only, he can pay the amount, whatever the amount for the book. Okay, like that. And then whenever he is click on the pay option, next option, then it will go to the next page. There are several options, like he can pay using credit card, debit card, net banking, webs wallet, pay later. That several options are there. Okay, whatever the bank card, debit card we can use. Net banking, there are several, most all the bank details are there. Then wallet, like MobiKwik, then free recharge, Geo Money, like that. All Indian is supporting them. Okay, then these are the way to make a web payment gateway using an instamojo account. It is very easy, and you don't need to purchase or a website or domain whenever you are creating all these things in the